Hey guys, Chris again over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. All things cleaning needs. We're going to talk about a few of our products that we carry. A lot of people call us asking if we carry like shampoo, what we use and recommend to get stains and stuff like that on the carpet. Yes, we do carry shampoo. We carry shampoo from Bissell, Hoover, Kirby shampoo. We got lots of different shampoo, floor cleaners, Bonos, all that type of stuff. This is pretty much like an all-in-one. It's called TCS carpet shampoo and odorizer, odor neutralizer. You can actually use this for pretty much a lot of different ones. You can use it for Hoover, Koblenz, Kirby's, Bissell's, pretty much any and all shampooers you can use this one for. It's really nice. It works really good. Like I said, it's called TCS. You can get it here from our store. It's an overall pretty good shampooer and deodorizer. The next thing I'm going to show you guys, so sometimes we get those really tough stains, either sometimes from the pets, from the urine, mud, different things like that. I know I have kids, so I get stains on the carpet all the time. This is a carpet extractor. This is called New Generation Carpet Care. It's a rug and upholstery hot water extract. Basically, man, this works amazing. You can use this on pretty much every type of carpeting, from low pile, deep pile, furniture, steps, any and everything. This is good. You can just put this little spray, put a little spray bottle, put a little bit of this in a spray bottle with warm water. You hit the area that's really bad. You spray, you let it sit, maybe take like a tool, like a scrubbing tool, and scrub it up and then shampoo it up. Man, this will get up everything. So if you guys have any questions about some of the shampooers, extractors, any of that kind of stuff that we have, call us here at 703-997-9292, extension 2, and ask for Chris, or stop by one of our locations in Fairfax or here in Leesburg, and we'll be able to help you out with whatever you guys need. Thank you all for watching the video. Thank you guys for supporting local, and happy holidays.